क्या होगा? केमिस्ट्री की नेचर रिबल 10 दी क्लास। थोड़ा इंक का ध्यान रखना बीच में जरा है।
हम बोले होता
हैं?
हम बोले ये नहीं यार है।
पर सैलरी आए ना तब हम भी कुछ करें आपसे, बिना सैलरी के।
यहाँ पर डेटा कितना लग रहा है?
वही तो Okay, good morning. Now the question number 7. The 7 is x is equal to 6pq upon p plus q and find the value of x plus 3p upon x minus 3p, then plus x plus 3q upon x minus 3q. Means what is the value of this part? We need, means with the help of x is equal to 6pq upon p plus q, find the value of this question. Okay, yesterday I already explained this question, but once again I am explaining this question. First part is, one method is substitute the value of x in the given condition, but that is a time taking question and it will be a bit difficult. Okay, means, and then after that we can do one thing, x plus 3p upon x minus 3p. So if this is coming on your means mind, sir, this is x plus 3p upon x minus 3p. So what will be its original form? The original form may be x plus 3p. Here apply the component dividend of, then x plus 3p upon x minus 3p. So then means we have to convert the given question in the terms of x plus 3p. Once time in the x plus 3 x upon 3p, and second time x upon 3q. So we can write x is equal to 3 into 2, because 3 is coming here, to write in the terms of the 3. So 2 into 3 into p into q and upon p plus q. Net one now. Then x, now we need the x upon 3p. So taking this 3 and p in the left hand side. So x upon 3p is equal to x upon 3p is equal to 2q upon p plus q, and it is in the form of the component and dividend. So then apply the component and dividend here. So using the property of component and dividend. When we apply the component and dividend here, so then that time we can arrange, we can calculate the value of x plus 3p. So then numerator plus denominator upon x minus upon numerator minus denominator. So this is the form of the given question. Is equal to, similarly in right hand side, 2q plus p plus q upon 2q. Now please remember this thing, minus is coming here and this is the number, minus multiply with the whole number, minus p minus q. So x plus 3p upon x minus 3p is equal to 3q plus p upon 2q minus q. So then it is q minus p. Suppose that is your equation number first. Okay, then second time we need the value of x plus 3q. So x plus 3q, so taking this equation again with the help of this part, we can find the x plus 3q. So x, and taking the denominator, what can we take the denominator? 3 and q. So then x upon 3q is equal to, what is the remaining? 2 into p. So 2 into 3 and q is, we have taken in the denominator, so 2 and p is remaining here. So 2p and upon p plus q. Again, if you need the value of x plus 3q, means how can you write this thing in the terms of x plus 3q? So apply the component and dividend. So applying component and dividend. When we apply the component and dividend here, so then x plus 3q upon x minus 3q is equal to, similarly right hand side, 2q plus p plus q upon 2p minus p minus q, because minus sign is coming here, then minus multiply with the whole bracket. So minus is coming here, so minus multiply with whole bracket. So then finally we can calculate the value of x plus 3q upon x minus x plus 3q upon x minus 3q. It's equal to 3p plus q upon 2p minus p minus q. Equation number second. So we have obtained the value of first part and second part. So this is the addition here. So one thing we can substitute the value of the first equation and second equation here. या we can add the both equation, दोनों को ऐड कर दो तब भी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ये बन जाएगा. ठीक है. तो adding the equation number first, तो equation number first plus second, तो left hand side of the equation is it will be x plus 3p upon x minus 3p, x plus 3p upon x minus 3p, then plus x plus 3q upon x minus 3q is equal to, taking right hand side, so right hand side is 3q upon plus p, then q minus p, and then plus 3p plus q upon p minus q. Okay sir, so this is the it is the final part of the here, but we इसको आप लोगों को क्या करना है अभी solve करना है. तो yesterday I solved one question here, but that time at the last moment electricity की problem हो गई थी, तो सारा problem आ गई. तो उसी में देखो कैसे सॉल्व करना है. तो solving this part because we need the value of this one. Okay, so is equal to first of all make the same denominator. This is q minus p and it is p minus q. So we can write this thing q minus p, then minus is common out. So 3q plus p is equal to 3q plus p upon q minus p. Now taking minus as a common, the minus is common, the minus of this plus, this minus of plus is minus, and then in the numerator 3p plus q, and denominator is it will be minus is common, so then reverse q minus p. Now denominator are the same, so denominator is same to q minus p, then 3q plus p, minus multiply with the whole number, so minus 3p and minus q. So what is our solution? 3q minus q, 2q. Next p minus 3p minus 2p, and upon q minus p, 2 is common out, so q minus p, and denominator q minus p. Numerator denominator is same, so remaining answer is 2. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, so similarly you can do solve the question number first of this question. Okay, good morning sir Priyansh Bhatt, good morning Kanish Karoda, good morning Samarth Kukreti, good morning. And I request to all the students of 10th class, please join the daily classes. This is the timing of your class, maths class, 6:30 am. 6:30 am. Sometime the network problem, so that time I am changing the schedule of the classes. But most of the classes, 99% classes at this same time, 6:30 am. Okay, फ्रेशनेस आ जाती है मॉर्निंग में, सुबह जल्दी उठा करो. 6:30 पे आपकी क्लासेस स्टार्ट हो रही है, इससे अच्छा बड़ा बेनिफिट आप लोगों को कहाँ मिलने वाला है. ओके, तो नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन now the important question are coming here. Question number 8 means after the question number 8 all are the important one. So I am taking any one question. First of all I am taking the first part of the 8th question. Okay, the first part of 8th question is 3x plus root 9x square minus 5 and upon 3x minus root 9x square minus 5 is equal to 5, and the question is given here, solve for x using the property of the proportion. Solve for x using the property of proportion. And as you know that what are the property of the proportional? Componendo, dividendo, alternando, invertendo, these are the property. But I already told in the last lecture, in the 99% cases, okay, we can use the property of 99% cases में componendo and then dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. Sometime we need the one property that is alternando, जहाँ पे मैच कराने की बात आती है same term. So then sir we need the value of x, and using the property of componendo and dividendo, do you know that the componendo and dividendo we can apply when we have given a upon b is equal to c upon d, means when this form is given, that time we can apply the componendo and dividendo. Formula is a plus b upon a minus b is equal to c plus d upon c minus d. And those are watching this lecture first time, so I request please watch the previous video of the ratio and proportion. We already taken 3-4 classes based on the ratio and proportion. So then sir, this is the whole part, whole part is a, the denominator whole part is the b, this is your c, but here denominator is not given, so we can put the 1, we can put the 1 in right hand side. So denominator is 1. Remember this thing on your mind, if left hand side and right hand side denominator is not given, at that time take 1 as the denominator. Okay, so now this is the final question, 3x plus this thing. So apply the componendo and dividendo here. Okay, applying componendo and dividendo. So what can we do here? This is a, so then 3x plus root 9x square minus 5, a, then plus b according to the formula, plus b, 3x minus root 9x square minus 5. This is a plus b, then upon second is a minus b upon a minus b. So a is remaining same, numerator 3x plus root 9x square minus 5. This is a, then minus sign is coming here. Remember this thing, minus and the whole denominator minus. When we multiply the minus here, जब यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? This is 3x minus root 9x square minus 5. ये bracket then minus. Now open the bracket. Then open the bracket. This is minus and then it will be plus. Okay, so this thing is here. And जब आप लेफ्ट साइड में करोगे तो राइट साइड में भी करना. बहुत सारे बच्चे जब स्टार्टिंग करते हैं तो भूल जाते हैं राइट साइड का. तो इन द सिमिलरली राइट हैंड साइड 5 plus 1 upon 5 minus 1. So on solve it, sir. This is the same terms, and again opposite side cancel out. 3x and minus 3x cancel out. The remaining here is 3 or 3, 6x and upon this is root 9x square minus 5. Same terms are coming here. And as you know that if root 2, what is the sum here? So 2 root 2. Similarly here to 2 root 9x square minus 5. Then it is equal to 5 plus 1 6 and 5 minus 1 4. So how can you calculate the value of x here? Componendo dividendo भी again, if you want to again use the componendo and dividendo, so you can apply the componendo and dividendo here. But there is the no possibility to cancel out each other. कोई फायदा नहीं है करके सर, क्योंकि न्यूमरेटर में अगर मैं इसको ऊपर ले जाऊं 6x plus then denominator 6x minus, so then nothing is cancelled here. So we can do any other method. We can do the cross multiplication here. अब क्या करो इसमें? Cross multiplication. तो आप cross multiplication, तो then cancel out. देखो 6 1 जा 6. It take the denominator, so 6 1 जा 6 cancel, 2 1 जा 2 and 2 2 जा 4. So what is remaining? 1 upon cross multiply, तो 2 1 जा 2, तो 2 into x 2x is equal to this thing multiplying right hand side is equal to root 9x square minus 5. So this is the right hand side of the question. Okay, so how can you solve this one, sir? अब यहाँ पे भी बहुत सारे बच्चे मिस्टेक करते हैं. क्या करें? One thing, if you want to remove this square, remove square root, whole left hand side whole will be square. Yes, second thing, we can do the squaring on both sides. Okay, squaring on both sides here, you can remove this root from right hand side, so left hand side will be a whole square. Okay, yeah, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, then 2x square is equal to root 9x square minus 5 and then whole square. So then it is 2 to the 4x square is equal to root and square cancel out to 9x square minus 5. X terms same in the taking the same side. तो 5 इधर इसको 9 को इधर ले जाओ तो 4x square minus 9x square is equal to minus 5. Then it is minus 5x square is equal to minus 5. तो x square is equal to minus 5 upon minus 5. तो x square is equal to minus cancel, 5 1 जा 5, then 1, and x square is equal to 1 is coming here, and as you know that x square means it is a quadratic, so that time we can calculate our 2 answer. Remember this thing. Okay, so x square, x is equal to plus minus 1. So this is the value of the x in this question. Okay, so hope you understood this question. How can you calculate the solution? Sir, please 8th third part. Okay sir, I am taking the 8th third part. Okay, 8th third part. 8th third. Question number 8 third part. This is x cube plus 3x upon 3x square plus 1 is equal to 341 upon 91. Same here, find the value of x. Here we need the value of x. यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करनी है. तो what sir, apply the componendo and dividendo. तो applying componendo and dividendo. Applying componendo and dividendo. So then it become x cube plus 3x square plus 1 upon x cube plus 3x, then minus sign, okay, minus multiply, तो minus 3x square and minus 1 is equal to 341 plus 91 upon 341 minus 91. Okay sir, तो सर यहाँ पे तो कुछ कैंसिल हो नहीं रहा, this is all the numbers are different, means all the variables are different, so how can we cancel out it? तो sir here is the formula of a plus b whole cube. So what is the formula of a plus b whole cube and what is the formula of a minus b whole cube? When you expand it a plus b whole cube, so then it become a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube, so then it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay, this is our formula. And second time similarly here a minus b whole cube, इसमें भी a cube, okay, formula कुछ बनेगा. तो यहाँ पे देखो सर, the numerator it is x cube, x means x plus second number b cube. तो which number we are cubing here? तो 1 का क्यूब करोगे तो कितना आएगा? 1. तो now expand it, x plus 1 whole cube according to this formula. तो x plus 1 whole cube is equal to, देखो, x cube, first number a cube means x cube plus b means 1 cube plus 3a means x square into 1, then plus 3a means x into 1 square. Okay, x, solve it, x cube plus 1 plus 3x square and plus 3x. So this number is given here. X, tally it, x cube plus 1 plus 3x square and plus 3x. So this is numerator is the part formula of x plus 1 whole cube, and similarly the denominator is the formula of x minus 1 whole cube. The numerator is formula of x minus 1 whole cube and the denominator is in the form of a minus b whole cube. So this is your answer question. So try what is the formula of a minus b whole cube. Then after that, when I tally it a plus b whole cube, so similarly you can tally a minus b whole cube and will tally this with this part. So then you will get x minus 1 whole cube. Then x right hand side, so then it is 1 or 1 2, 9 or 4, 13 का 3 carry 1, 3 or 1 4 upon then 1 or 1 0, 14 minus 9 5, then 2, 250 is remaining here. So sir, this is the cube root, this is cube and this is also cube. So if you want to remove this cube from left hand side, तो right hand side will be in the form of the right hand side का क्या हो जाएगा आपका, जो right hand side है उसका कितना हो जाएगा, cube root. तो can you suggest me या can you give your answer what is the cube root of 432? Write in the comment section what is the cube root of 432. Samarth, yes sir, this is the question number 8 third part. Samarth Kukriti, this is the question number 8 third part. Please write in the comment section what is the cube root of 432 and 250. Please write in the comment section what is the cube root of no answers is coming. Okay, चलो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. कनिष्क करोड़ा सी what is C कनिष्क? ओके सी. तो x plus 1 upon x minus 1. When you remove this thing, देखो सर यहाँ पे क्यूब है, ये भी क्यूब है, तो क्या करें अब यहाँ पे, what can we do here? यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं कि आंसर मिल जाए. देखो एक प्रॉब्लम, this is the x plus 1 whole cube, this is x minus 1 whole cube. So here we can write x plus 1, x minus 1, then whole cube. Can we write this thing? Then is equal to 432 upon 250. 432 upon 250. Then x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to, जैसे ये होता है ना x square is equal to 25. Then x is equal to root 25. Similarly we can write here cube root of 432 upon 250. 432 upon 250. So what is the cube root of 432 and 250? 2 root 3 and 6 root 2. Very good. 2 रूट 30 and 6 रूट 30. वेरी गुड सर. अगर नहीं कोई दिक्कत है तो कैसे करें? If you have any problem, you can write the prime factorization 432. So then 2 2s are 4, then 2 1s are 2, then 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, then 0, 2 8s are 16, then 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, then 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, then 3 3s are 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Then okay, then second is it is 250. Find the prime factorization. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. Next 2 or 5 or 2 7 or 8, 5 पे check होगा सीधा. So 5 2s are 10, 2 5 5 are 25, 5 5 are 25, 5 1s are 5. So then we can write cube root of कितना हो जाएगा ये होगा आपका 1 3 4. तो 1 2 3 4 and 3 times 1 2 3 and upon denominator 250. So what is the 250? So 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 1 2 1 2 and 1 2 cancel out. So what is remaining? So remaining is this is 1 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 and then 3 into 3 into 3 and then denominator is 5 into 5 into 5. So when we take the common out, so what will be the final answer? So then x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to न्यूमरेटर में देखो, न्यूमरेटर में पेयर ऑफ द टू, सॉरी पेयर नहीं, ग्रुप बनेगा, ग्रुप सीधा. ठीक है, ये तो सॉल्व नहीं हुआ, ये प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा है सर आप लोगों के लिए. हाँ कुछ दिक्कत हो रही है. सॉरी दिस इज नॉट अ 5, इट इज योर 3. तो देखो 3 2 आर कमिंग. तो व्हेन वी टेक द 2 फ्रॉम द out of the cube root, then it is single 2. Next 3 pair of the 3, so then we can write 1 3 out. Then in the denominator 5 is coming here upon 5. So 2 into 3 upon 5. So this is the final one here. Okay, it is final one here. So how can you solve it sir? इसको solve करो तो कितना बनेगा? So then it is x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to 6 upon 5. Cross multiply, yeah we can apply the again component one dividend हो गया, cross multiply कितना हो जाएगा? 5x plus 5 is equal to 6x minus 6. So then taking x in the same side, so then sir it is 5x minus 6x is equal to minus 6 minus 5. Then it is minus x is equal to minus 11. So x is equal to 11. So x is equal to 11 is the answer of this question. 8 third part. Question number 8 third part. 11 is the answer. Okay sir. Hope you understood this thing. How can you calculate this one? Next question. The next is एक और देख लो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पार्ट. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, रूट x plus 1 plus रूट x minus 1 upon रूट x plus 1 minus रूट x minus 1 is equal to 4x minus 1 upon 2. This is also very simple question. It is also very simple one, but I try to solve the basic question of the upcoming exercise. Okay, then you are able to solve the questions are coming in our main next exercise. Now apply the componendo and dividendo. So applying componendo and dividendo. When we apply the componendo and dividendo, to numerator x plus 1, then plus root x minus 1, then plus x plus 1 minus root x minus 1 upon denominator again a minus b. So root x plus 1 plus root x minus 1, then minus and minus multiply with the denominator. So minus root x plus 1 and minus plus root x minus 1 is equal to and don't forget to apply the component and dividend to right hand side. बहुत सारे बच्चे लेफ्ट साइड कर लेते हैं but right side नहीं कर पाते हैं. Then it is 4x minus 1 then plus 2 upon 4x minus 1 then minus 2. To solve it, it is root x minus 1 and plus root x minus 1 cancel. Then minus root x plus 1 minus plus root x plus 1, it is cancelled. So sir, this is the same terms, root x plus 1. So 2 root x plus 1 upon root x minus 1 plus 2 root x minus 1. is equal to right hand side 4x and minus 1 plus 2, so then plus 1, then 4x minus 1 minus 2, then it is minus 3. Okay, तो sir अब क्या करें, this is 2 and 2 cancel out, so what is remaining, it is x plus 1 upon root x minus 1 is equal to 4x plus 1 upon 4x minus 3. अब root in the numerator, root terms is coming, root are coming in the numerator, so how can we solve it? तो क्या करें sir, we can take the square on both side या remove the root from left hand side, so squaring on both side, तो squaring on both sides, तो when we square on both side, तो that time square जब करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा ये, तो ये हो गया सर आपका कितना, root x plus 1 upon root x minus 1 then whole square is equal to 4x plus 1 upon 4x minus 3 whole square. स्क्वायरिंग मैं इसलिए कर रहा हूं क्योंकि यहाँ पे रूट को साइड करना है. ओके, सो देन रूट इज इसका भी स्क्वायर, देन व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग, x plus 1 upon x minus 1. Okay, you know that root x plus 1 and its whole square, then it is root and x cancel, so then x plus 1 is remaining here. But in right hand side में दूसरा कंसेप्ट यूज होने वाला है. तो राइट हैंड साइड में क्या होगा, राइट हैंड साइड में यूज होगा सर आपका राइट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल टू इसको लिखेंगे 4x plus 1 whole square upon 4x minus 3 whole square. And as you know that how can you solve it, तो इसको expand कर दो तो then it is x plus 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to expanded, तो a square 4x square 4 4 is 16x square plus 1 plus 2a भी 4 2 is 8x, then similarly on the denominator a minus b whole square, तो a minus b whole square is a square plus 9 minus 4 3 is 12 और 12 2 is 24x. अब इसको सॉल्व करो सर. This question again means it is the larger form, and if you want to reduce this thing, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो बहुत ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा. देखो मल्टीप्लाई किया इधर x then plus 1, it will be take so much time. तो again we can use the componendo and dividendo. Remember this thing. Again we can use the componendo and dividendo, क्योंकि हम लोगों को अपने क्वेश्चन को क्या करना है, इजी करना है. तो यू नो रिमेंबर दिस थिंग, अगर एक बार यूज कर लिया तो दोबारा भी यूज कर सकते हैं. तो कितना हो जाएगा, x plus 1 then plus x minus 1 upon x plus 1 then minus x plus 1. Okay, that is equal to right hand side numerator 16x square plus 1 then plus it is plus 8x then plus 16x square plus 9 minus 24x, and the denominator is 16x square plus 1 plus 8x. Now minus multiply with the whole numerator, so minus 16x square minus 9 and plus 24x. So anything is cancel out, yes sir. This is plus 1 minus 1 cancel, x minus x cancel, what is remaining, 2x upon 2. So देखो left hand side it make a simple. Okay, then here nothing is cancel out in numerator but denominator 16x square cancel. Okay, next anything, no sir, nothing is cancel. Now 16 and 16, 16 दूनी 32, so 32x square, next 32x square, then next 8x square minus 24x square, so minus 16x और 9 plus 1, so 9 plus 1 10, and upon what is remaining in the denominator, so this is 24x plus 8x, so 24 or 8 36, so 24 or 8 32, so 32x and minus 9 plus 1, so minus 8. So here we can apply the cross multiplication here. अब कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होने वाली है. Okay, thank you sir, समर्थ कुकरेती. Okay sir, now you can apply the cross multiplication. अब देखो, if you want to do again the componendo and dividendo, okay, componendo and dividendo if you want to do it again, तो it means you will not get means आपका जो प्रश्न होगा और नहीं फिर कोई कैंसिल ही नहीं हो रहा. देखो 2x plus 2 upon 2x minus 2, any no number is cancel out. Similarly here numerator and denominator are different, so this thing जब भी आपका न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर सेम बनने के चांसेस हो, ओके, कुछ चीजें कैंसिल आउट हो रही हो, तो दैट टाइम वी कैन टेक द कंपोनेंट और डिविडेंड. सो आई एम टेकिंग हियर, ओके. तो नाउ क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, तो इस 2 से 2 कैंसिल आउट, 2 इस 2 कैंसिल आउट, तो क्या हो गया, इट इज 32 into x, तो 32x square minus 8x is equal to 32x square minus 16x then plus 10. This 32x square, this 32x square are the same. When you take in the left hand side, the minus sign will come to 32 cancel. Remaining number is minus 8x. Taking this minus 16 in left hand side, so plus 16x is equal to 10. So what is remaining? 16 minus 8. So 8x is equal to 10. So our answer is x is equal to 10 upon 8. So x is equal to 2 5 are 10, 2 4 are 8. So x is equal to 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 is the solution of this question. Okay, I hope you understood this thing, and please request to your all the classmates watch the video properly and join the live session, because this is the beneficial for all the student. And as you know that you are the student of the 10th class board exam student, okay. So this is your responsibility to join the proper classes and do the well practice at your home. अगर otherwise you will face the so many problem in the mathematics. फिर बच्चे बोलेंगे कि सर हम पे कुछ है कितना है, ऊपर से नहीं है. Okay sir. So one question I am giving to you. The homework is please open the book ratio and proportion, last exercise, self evaluation and revision exercise, okay. So question number 15 is your homework. It is repeated question number 15. Next question number 15. Then after that question number 10, 15, 10, question number 6, question number 7, 6, 7, 10, 15. Next question number 4, okay, and one question number 11. So these all are the repeated question, and try to solve it at your home, okay. Then this is the time of the new class, and so I am ending this session. Tomorrow at the same time 6 AM we will meet again, and thanks for watching this video and share this video to your classmate, okay.